In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and use your Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller. This controller has many different ways in which it can be connected to devices, including PC, Xbox consoles, and also mobile devices. You will be able to choose a variety of ways, like I mentioned, and use the controller for fully wirelessly. So for the primary ways of connecting it, you will be able to connect it by using the provided cable. So in the package contents, you will find a USB-A to USB cable. For the primary ways to connect it to an Xbox console or a PC, just follow these steps listed. Plug the USB-C end of the cable into the charge dock, so you will be able to plug the USB transmitter right here, and you will connect the charge dock with the transmitter into the console. So use the USB cable that I mentioned earlier and press the power button on the console. Now, just make sure that the transmitter was properly inserted into the charge dock right here. You will be able to tell by the LED flashing on the transmitter, and you will be able to press the controller's guide button. You might have to hold this down for 2 seconds to power it on the first time, and then pairing will be done automatically. Once both of these devices have been paired, you will be good to go. So essentially, with one USB port that I'm highlighting here, you will be able to connect the controller to the transmitter. The transmitter will remain on the charging dock, and you will be able to use your controller. If you ever need to charge it, just place it on the charging dock highlighted here. And of course, the same exact steps can be done for PC. So you plug the charging dock into any of the available USB ports on your PC, you plug the wireless USB dongle or transmitter into the charging dock, and upon powering on the controller for the first time by pressing the Xbox guide button, it will automatically pair itself up to the transmitter, or rather the dock, and you can now use it on your PC. And once this is done, you can download the software if you want to upgrade the firmware, and you can play any game that supports controller inputs. If you want to change the connection mode, then you will have to use the control center, and in here you will be able to change it to Bluetooth to connect it to any mobile device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.